Hi guys, I am sure that you know how to use the repeater and even the double repeater. I would like you as a practice activity and also a challenge to create this kind of transition. Look how beautiful it is. It's very beautiful. If you go slowly, you notice that there is some very nice texture that has been created there. Now, there are a few tips I will give you here. First of all, I made it 2 seconds because I actually like it. I don't want it 1 second and fast, so 2 seconds is okay. Now, let's go to the mat itself, which I did not render yet. I will double click here. I will remove the effect I used here, and you notice there is only a circle around here with 2 repeaters. So there is a shape that's a circle with 2 repeaters and the vector effect. I should not show you that, but it's okay. So we remove it. Now, within the shape, you have several choices. You can have an ellipse or you can have a rectangle. Notice the effect here is totally different with the vector. Now, the CC vector blur, I set it the way I like. You can set it the way you want. Or you can have, for example, a polystar. Here I used an octagon, okay, 8 sides, and it's pretty beautiful. If you want to see the changes, here you are. We go back to practice and notice the change now. It's pretty cool and pretty nice. Now, it's up to you to create it. There is more. You can add more effects. Let me fix it and I get back to you, but I'm not going to show you the effect. Okay, so let's have fun. I added one more single effect and look at the result now. It's becoming even more mysterious, pretty beautiful. Look at it. You know, when you do this kind of jobs, though they are very easy, you will look like a pretty professional. Guys, this is your practice activity. I gave you a few tips. It's up to you now to go and do it. In the next lecture, you will have the tutorial for this practice activity. See you then.